Okay, so as we all know, there are four types of noun gender. First is masculine gender, it means male. Second is feminine gender, it means female. Third is common gender. Here we can consider both male or female. We are not aware about whether it is a male or female. Okay, if I say baby, now we don't know whether we are talking about a baby boy or a baby girl. Baby can be both, boy also or girl also. It can be both, feminine also and masculine also. Neuter gender. Neuter gender is used for non-living things. So these are the four types of nouns gender. Okay, now as I was telling you, we can convert masculine, that is male gender, into feminine, that is female gender, and in the same way we can convert feminine, that is female gender, into masculine, that is male gender. Okay, now I am discussing the two forms in which it will come in your exams. Okay, so the first one is match the nouns of masculine gender with the correct nouns of feminine gender. Okay, that is in matchups form. There will be two column. Column A will be masculine column. It will contain of all the male gender, and column B will be feminine gender. All the female category will fall under it. Okay, now as you can see, wizard, prince, lion, peacock, all these are male. And here peahen, witch, princess, lioness, all these are female. Now please pay attention. You have to write correct answer in front of them. You don't need to put numbers. You are not allowed to write numbers, like the answer of wizard is witch. So you don't need to write number here. You have to write correct answer in front of it. As you all know, the opposite gender, or I can say the feminine gender of wizard is witch. Similarly, for prince, it is princess. For lion, it is lioness. And for peacock, it is peahen. So it will come in this form, and you have to write the correct answer. You have to check column B and you have to write the correct answer in front of it. You are not allowed to write numbers. Okay, you have to write the correct answer in front of it. And similarly, in this way only, I am going to give you today's homework. So column A will contain all the masculine gender and column B will contain all the feminine gender. You have to match and you have to write the correct answer in front of it. Okay. And the second form is fill in the blanks with the opposite gender of the underlined nouns. Okay. So as you can see here, there are two examples. I have underlined certain words and in the answer we are writing the opposite gender for it. Okay, like first one is my father and uncle likes to play cricket. My father and uncle likes to play cricket. Now here in this sentence, father and uncle are underlined words. So we have to write the opposite gender of it. Opposite of father is mother and opposite of uncle is aunt. So you have to do it in this way. Second example, my grandmother is 70 years old and the underlined word is grandmother. As we all know, grandmother is a feminine gender, and now we have to write the opposite gender, that is masculine gender, and the opposite of grandmother is grandfather. Okay, so these are the two forms in which it is going to come. Again, I am reminding you, you have to write the correct answer in front of it. You are not allowed to write the numbers. Okay, so that's all that we are going to do today. There are four types. First is masculine, that refers to male gender. Second is feminine, that refers to female gender. Third is common gender. In it we consider both males as well as females. We are not aware about the gender. And fourth is neuter gender. It refers to non-living things.